To import a workspace from Notion to BIP, simply go to your Notion workspace and choose the Settings and Members option. Here click on the Settings tab. You'll see an option to export all workspace content. Click on it. Select Markdown and CSV from the first drop-down menu. Everything from the second. Do not forget to turn on the Create Folders for Subpages option. In the next option, click Export. Go to your BIP Studio. The zip file is downloaded. Simply click on the Import option. Then select Notion. Upload the file. A pop-up will appear. Click Done. Once the import is done, you'll get the notification. You'll see the same tree structure in your BIP Studio. Voila! Your workspace is moved to BIP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our socials for more of such content.